First you take the peanuts and you crunch them, you crunch them. First you take the peanuts and you crunch them for your peanut butter.
A banana.
Peanut butter.
Banana.
Then you take the banana and you cut it. Then you take the banana and you cut it for your peanut butter.
Banana.
Peanut butter.
Banana.
Then you take the bread and you spread it. Then you take the bread and you spread it for your peanut butter.
And banana.
Peanut butter.
Banana.
Then you take, okay, woo! You eat it. Then you take your sandwich and you eat it because it's good peanut butter. Good peanut butter.
Banana.
First you take your peanuts and you crunch them. Then you take it and you cut it.